This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a Harley transmission, like twin transmission puller. This is a race install puller. Let me just actually show you what you get. You know, you get actually a pretty good quality set of gloves that have a good grip on there. And then the tool kit itself, let me just show you. My brother-in-law has a Harley and we're going to take the transmission out. I don't have the bike here with me, but I'm just going to show you the tool that I ordered to take this out, and this is exactly what we needed to get this out of here. Anyone that's going to be working on their transmission, this is something I recommend. You could see how it works here. You put a wrench on this side that locks into the transmission pulley, and then you just screw this down. You can see how it opens up and how it pushes it out, and that will shove that plate out of there. Something I recommend for anyone that's going to be working on bikes, whether it's Harley or any type of motorcycle that needs to have that. You've got some additional attachments here. This feels very sturdy, very strong. It looks like it's from the company Relics Go, is how you would say that. And you could adjust it right here, and you could see how the push pushes out right there, and this steel feels very strong. This does not feel like cheap steel on this. That feels really strong. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Relics Go transmission puller, Harley transmission puller with a tube. See you all in the next video.